Hello, and I'm going to show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11. You will need the Windows Host installer for VirtualBox, which you can get from the virtualbox.org website. I will put the link in the description below. You may also require Visual C++ 2019. If you've already got this installed, you don't need to install it. However, if you don't, you can get it here. I will also link this in the description. I've already downloaded both of these files. So if I pop over to my downloads folder, I can see I've got the VirtualBox set up here. So I'm going to run this. Click yes. And as we can see, I don't have Visual C++ 2019 redistributable installed yet. So I'll click OK, finish, and close the installer. I shall now install Visual C++. Install. Yes. And that's installed. I shall now proceed to install VirtualBox. This time I'm able to get through to the setup options. I'm going to leave this as defaults and install. This can take a few moments to complete. Once it's finished, I'm going to leave the option checked to open VirtualBox after the install. And here we are, VirtualBox is ready to go. If I close this, I can get back to it by clicking on Start, All Apps, and it's listed under Oracle VirtualBox, and then the Oracle VM VirtualBox with the icon there. Thank you for watching.